Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam slash God Gundam Full Suit Build Series 1.5. Yeah, you heard that right. I had the bright idea of reprinting the entire chest and back, as you can see in this picture here, and this picture here, that the chest was just too wide. I had a very huge gap right here. So what I did is an armor smith. I shrank it down here on the shoulders, and I made it a little bit wider on my stomach so it fits a lot better. Let's get assembling. Okay, so I've got the entire chest and back all welded together. I used PLA welding because with CA glue or anything like that, it's not going to have a strong enough bond as it would if I do with PLA welding. So most of the times now I'm all doing PLA welding because I have a ton of scraps lying around and I get a much solid, secure connection when I do it. As you can see, it fits. It looks a whole lot nicer. There's a lot of rough spots on there, but once the weather gets nicer again, because right now it's starting to get cold here, I'll be able to go outside, sand it down, put a couple layers of filler primer on there, do some Bondo or Bondo spot putty if needed to help finish up the little holes and everything that are in there. And then I can get onto the painting. So I'm hoping to have this ready for Halloween of 2025. I have 11 months to get it done. Even though that might seem like a lot of time, but there's going to be several months where I can't do anything because it's just too cold, or it could be snowing, or it could be raining, or anything like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you.